Alright, so welcome back to the 2020 reboot of my channel.
I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
It's been a long 2-year hiatus, people. A lot of crazy stuff has happened in the past 2 years. A lot of it's why I couldn't really make any content, do anything with my life. I was on deployment. So, therefore, before I went on deployment, I was in Virginia. I made like a handful of videos, but at the same time, too, I didn't really go out and do much of anything because there was nothing really to do, especially during the wintertime. I ended up getting really big into like rock climbing and backpacking, camping, and all that other stuff, which I'd already been into. I just never actually went out and did it like too often. So now that I've gotten to California, which is where I'm living at now, down in sunny old San Diego, now I have more opportunities to do more things. Need to get my butt into gear and start working on the 350Z again, because that's the only vehicle I brought out here. Since being out here, I ended up buying a Jeep Wrangler, so that way I can maybe use it to haul the 350 later on down the road, but I mostly bought it so that way I had a utility vehicle, and also started getting into off-roading and more of like primitive style camping, away from everything. So this channel is going to get rebooted, as yes, I'm still doing automotive stuff. I'm still going to work on vehicles, whether it be the Jeep or the 350. But at the same time too, I'm also going to focus on hiking, camping, rock climbing, all this fun stuff that I like to do. Might throw some gun stuff in there if I can get an opportunity or a chance to do that while I'm here. We all know how California's gun laws are. But yeah, I mean, even if it's like just showing you guys safety stuff for like guns, just so that way you guys can maybe have some extra knowledge on certain things that you might not have known. Now, unlike Florida, I don't have a garage, so it's kind of hard for me to work on my vehicles, so I'll try to work on them when I can. But at the same time too, with all the outdoorsy stuff and all the adventures that I'm going to try to do as local as possible due to coronavirus and all the regulations and everything in place. That way I can bring you guys some content. Just remember to like, subscribe, every little thing helps. Hit the bell notification, all that other good stuff, since this is going to be a reboot. So when I cover cars, adventures, Jeep with off-roading, gun stuff, maybe here and there, I don't know yet. I'll figure that out down the road, but trying to reboot this channel and make it better.